Hi everybody, welcome back. This will be a two-part video, with the first part being purchasing Ethereum on Coinbase. The second part in a separate video will be sending that purchased Ethereum from Coinbase over to my crypto wallet. Before we get into it, if you do like the content, be sure to hit the like and subscribe and press the bell to get future videos. This is not financial advice. I am not a financial advisor, and this is not investment advice. Any and all information provided in my videos are for educational and entertainment purposes only. What you do with your money is entirely your own responsibility. Seek the counsel of your own financial advisor before investing yours or anyone else's money, please. This is what we're going to learn in this video about how to prepare your crypto wallet for trading. We're going to learn what's needed. Basically, that's Ethereum, why it's needed, and that's to pay for transactions. How much ETH do I need? How to trade some USD for ETH, and we're going to go over how you're going to send that new ETH to your crypto wallet so it's in there for your trading. Earlier I mentioned one of the things you need in your crypto wallet to be able to trade is Ethereum. So that's one of the things you'll need. The base coin for the Ethereum ecosystem is a coin called Ether. Its name is Ether. Most of the time people call it by its trading symbol ETH, or they just call it Ethereum when they're talking about it. Why do I need ETH? When you execute a trade on the Ethereum network, it charges a fee. Fees are paid using the ETH that's in your wallet. For the transaction to successfully complete, the wallet you're using for the transaction has to have enough ETH in it to pay for the transaction. And when you approve a transaction to be completed, you'll be shown how much at a maximum you're willing to pay in ETH for that transaction. And in reality, what usually happens is the fee is somewhat less than that maximum that you've authorized to be used for the transaction. So how much ETH do I need to complete a transaction? That really depends on what kind of transaction you're executing. There's a lot of factors that can go into the cost of the fee for an Ethereum transaction. First of all, there's several different types of transactions. So you may be just sending some tokens that are in your wallet from your wallet to another wallet, or maybe you're executing a smart contract. For the purpose of this video, we're going to stick to just basically purchasing Ethereum and then sending it from Coinbase over to your wallet, and then using something like Uniswap to swap maybe your USDC for another token like Hex, which would then cost a transaction fee that would be paid using Ethereum, because Hex and USDC are both Ethereum based tokens. So in order to swap those tokens, you would be using the Ethereum network to create a transaction to swap those two tokens. The other factor that goes into how much a transaction costs is how busy the Ethereum network is. During bull runs, there's been situations where the Ethereum network got incredibly busy. Usually it's because some activities going on, like the NFT craze was going on about 6 months ago and was causing fees to be incredibly high for anything that anybody did in the network, just because the network was overcrowded, and so there were too many transactions to be able to be executed by the Ethereum network. And when that happens, fees go up as a which is how the Ethereum network code executes. It basically self-adjusts to charge more as the system becomes more and more crowded, and that allows transactions that have higher fees to get through over transactions that have lower fees. So you have to be willing to agree to a higher fee in order to get your transaction through when the Ethereum network is overloaded. Okay, so let's get into how I would go about taking some USD and converting it to Ethereum on Coinbase. It looks like Coinbase has just moved some of their Coinbase Pro functionality for trading. It looks a little different than what I'm used to for Coinbase Pro, but let's go through and see if we can't convert $5 worth of about half of my USD that I currently have, that I've moved over from my crypto bank account where I have my checking and savings. I have my separate crypto bank account. I've moved some money over. It's in USD now in my account. When I look at assets, and it shows me the money that I have there. So let's go trade. Currently has ETH USD at the top. If it doesn't have that for you, you can go into the USD tab, and it should be one of the first few up here. We're going to be trading the ETH USD pair, and so that allows you to buy and sell in both directions to convert ETH to USD or USD to ETH. So since I have USD available, $11.89. I can do my amount. Let's do 50%, which will give me a total of $5.94. I could probably try and move that down to get it closer to $5. So let's go ahead and do that. That'll give me $5.02 of USD that I'm spending to acquire this much Ethereum or ETH. I've got a limit sell. It's adjusting the price as things are changing, and I'll just go ahead and my fee is going to be 3 cents, which is a Coinbase function, not an Ethereum network function. So let's go ahead and purchase this ETH. If I look down here, I can see that here's the date, here's the pair. I did a limit buy. This was the price of Ethereum, so I got this much ETH for my $5 worth, and it took the fee out, which looks like it might have been 2 cents instead of 3, and it was filled 100%. So now I have this much Ethereum. I can go back to my assets, and now I can see that I have less USD, which subtracted out the $5 plus the fee, and I now have, I guess it was 3 cents, so it's $4.99 worth of Ethereum, which is 0.003128484 ETH. Okay, so now that we've done that transaction, let's just bring up a calculator and verify that things went as we thought. 1596.18, which was the price of Ethereum. Let's multiply that times 0.003128484, and that equals my $4.99 after the fee is subtracted. So the numbers it was showing me at $4.99 earlier were obviously rounded up, so that's the actual amount of value worth of Ethereum that I purchased with my $5.02. I got this much of it was used for the purchase of Ethereum, and the rest was used for the fee. That concludes part 1 of this 2-part series where we've purchased Ethereum off of Coinbase. So we basically converted some USD into Ethereum. And in our next video, we'll send that Ethereum over to our crypto wallet, which will allow it to be prepared for trading by having Ethereum in that wallet to pay for transactions on the Ethereum network. Also, if you're new to crypto, I did write a book called Crypto: What I Learned the Hard Way by Crypto Jags. You can find it on Amazon in the Kindle book area. It goes into a lot more detail about why you might want to get into crypto and what the value proposition is. I go into more details about risk versus reward, and I go into a lot of details about how to avoid scams. I think there's a lot of really good information in there, and I've got a link in the description if you decide you want to delve into that a little bit more and maybe try and understand better about what crypto is and what the value proposition is. Thanks for watching the first part of preparing your crypto wallet for trading. Don't forget to go to the second part to watch how we move the Ethereum we just purchased over to our crypto wallet. Thanks for watching.